Oh, so we have to find 3 scrolls. We have to find Treasure Bug's hiding place, and we have to discover Paprika's favorite treasure. That's a lot. Will you help? You will? Great! So, how are we going to figure out Paprika's favorite treasure? Do you know, Blue? Oh, I get it. We'll play Blue's Clues to figure it out. Will you help? You will? Great. We are gonna play Blue's Clues, 'cause it's a really great game. Yeah. So remember, Blue's paw print will be on the clues. Blue's Clues. So, now what should we do?
Clean off the paw print.
Clean off the paw print. Good thinking. But how should we do it? Ooh, look. What's your choice? Just click on it. A sparkly cloth. Perfect. There. So clean, it, sparkles. Okay, now that we cleaned up that paw print, we need our handy-dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. Now, where did I put that notebook anyway? Ooh.
You looking for this, Steve?
I sure am. Whoa! Thanks, side table drawer.
You're welcome, Steve.
You know, I can tell I'm really going to need your help today, trying to figure out what Paprika's favorite treasure is. Will you help? Great. Now, to play Blue's Clues, we got to find 3... what do we have to find 3 of? Do you know? 3 socks? Yes, it is. It's 3 socks. No, it's not. Maybe we need to find 3 of something else.
Paw prints!
3 paw prints. Yeah, that's it! 'Cause paw prints are our...
Clues!
Clues, yeah. And each time we find one, we put it in our...
Notebook!
Notebook, right. And when we find our last clue, we go to our... where do we go? What's your choice? Just click on it. We take a bath. I don't think we take a bath unless we get really dirty. So where do we go after we find all 3 clues?
The thinking chair!
Right, of course. You know what to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think. 'Cause when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we can do anything that we wanna do. Okay, so, guess we're ready to start looking for clues. Great. Wait a minute. What's this? It's our first treasure hunt scroll. And it was in the thinking chair. So, let's look at our treasure map. Let's put our first sticker in the first spot. Just click on the yellow arrow when you're ready to leave. Now, let's... Oh! There she is! Come on, Blue! Oh, hi! Come on in! Blue! Look who's here!
Hello.
We are so glad you're here. Blue and I were just about to... Hello. It's a bug.
Actually, I'm a treasure bug.
A treasure bug?
A treasure bug. Are you ready for the big treasure hunt?
Hey, did this bug, treasure bug, say treasure hunt?
Yep, you bet. And no treasure hunt is complete without... Ta-da! A treasure map.
Oh, a treasure map. This is so great. Look at that.
You'll find the treasure if you listen to me. Look for scrolls. I've hidden 3. Follow the last scroll till you find the X. There you'll find me and my treasure chest. Then if you tell me one special friend's favorite treasure, the one that is her greatest pleasure, I will give you the first of 3 keys to get into the land of great discovery. Go on all 3 hunts and get 3 keys. Then you can go into the land of great discovery.
Yeah, Blue, a treasure hunt that will take us to the land of great discovery. Hey, well, how will we know whose favorite treasure we're looking for, Treasure Bug?
Precisely why I am here, my friend. First you must discover Paprika's favorite treasure, for it is, you see, her greatest pleasure.
Paprika's favorite treasure, huh? I think we can do that. Hey, where are you going?
To hide with the treasure chest.
Oh, to read our treasure hunt scroll. Here's the treasure hunt hint. You'll find our next scroll with someone who has spots of dark pink and even a tail that wags, I think. All right, cool. I wonder who that could be.
Hi, Blue. Knock, knock. Who's there? Snow. Snow who? Snow use. I can't find where I buried the treasure.
Hello, Blue.
Hello, Blue.
Blue, Blue. A clue, a clue.
Really? Where?
Over there.
Oh, there's a clue on Paprika's peanut shell bed. Now what do we do? Right, we need our handy-dandy notebook. Will you help me draw this clue? Thanks. Okay, so will you help me draw this clue by using the shapes? Cool, that's where that... Cool, you figured out where to put that shape. Yeah, those shapes go together to make the clue. Paprika's peanut shell bed has a big curvy line here, and another curvy line here. Some more curvy lines for the blanket, like so, and finally some little marks to finish the shell. That was our first clue. Okay, so, a peanut shell bed is part of Paprika's favorite treasure. I wonder what her treasure could be. Any ideas? I guess we need to find 2 more clues.
It is so nice of you to find out what is the favorite treasure of our little Paprika.
I love my bed.
Oh, that's it. You are so smart. The treasure hunt scroll leads to magenta. Now where does that sticker go? Just click on the yellow arrow when you're ready to leave.
Row, row. Bow.
Ooh. Thanks, Blue. Let's read our next scroll. Okay, treasure hunters. Here's the hint. Search for someone soft and brown. She is the furriest one around. Okay, we'll keep that in mind as we continue on our treasure hunt. Just click on the yellow. Want to take another look at our scroll? Ever think about visiting the land of great discovery? You can. All you need are 3 keys. Yes.